Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. Today's video is all about protecting your data and improving your app's security using FluxBuilder. To begin, log into your FluxBuilder account, or sign up a new one. Now, you can find our detailed app security documentation at docs.fluxbuilder.com. Under Integration Guides, open App Security. And let's dive into the 4 ways to boost your security. The first one is ensuring secure API communication. You should always use HTTPS for all communication between your app and server to ensure your data is fully encrypted. For example, when creating a new app, always include the HTTPS prefix before your domain name. Similarly, this applies to all URL fields in the design and feature sections as well. Using HTTPS is the simplest and most effective way to increase your app's security. Our second method is specifically for WooCommerce users. When integrating your site, FluxBuilder requires a consumer key and a consumer secret. To add an extra layer of protection, you can actually remove the CKA and CS prefixes from these keys when you input them. This will not affect your connectivity. You can verify this by running the troubleshoot tool. It helps keep your credentials more discreet. The third method is using Firebase Remote Config. This allows you to load your configuration from the cloud instead of hard-coding everything into the app. A great example of this is securing your WooCommerce API keys. First, enable the Firebase Remote Config feature. We provide a step-by-step guide on setting up Firebase and creating a private key. Now, back to FluxBuilder, I will start by going to Features and enable the Firebase on App. Then open Firebase Remote Config. Enable the feature and upload the Firebase config file. Click New Version to store the latest full config. Then, open Export and export the feature file env.dart and design file into My Computer. Now, open the env.dart file and edit the feature file. I will remove the API keys of my app in this file. Make sure that the changes is saved. When you are ready to build your app, ensure your bundle ID matches your Firebase config file. In step 4 of the build process, disable the default config option and manually upload your modified env.dart and design JSON files. This way removes the API keys from the local app files while ensuring the app remains fully functional. If you need the full guide of build feature, please click here. Finally, let's talk about your Android KeyStore file. This file is used to sign your application and is required for every update you post to Google Play. For Android app, if you already have a KeyStore file, please use it for your build. If you don't have one yet, follow our guide to create a new one correctly. It is vital that you store your KeyStore file and key password securely. We recommend you to follow this guide also to create a correct KeyStore, because you must use the same KeyStore for every build to be able to update your app on Google Play. After completion, continue to build your app. That's it. If you found this helpful, Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and stunning features. Thank you for watching.